Hi everyone, it's Wendy Kohler here, and today for your essential oil tutorial, I want to cover the beautiful oil of fennel. If you've ever overindulged, if you ever have felt really full in an upset stomach, I bet you wish you had something that you could take for immediate relief. Fennel is one of those go-to oils for those types of situations and for digestion. It's long been used as a culinary oil or a culinary herb when you're using the herb form or the seed form, and it's been shown a lot to improve digestive challenges. Not only that though, it's an oil that helps promote a healthy respiratory system, a healthy digestion, healthy metabolism, healthy circulation, and more. It's got this light, sweet licorice aroma and flavor. And even if you don't love black licorice, you will love how quickly this oil works. So I want to cover today aromatic uses, topical uses, and internal uses. And I'm going to hit on the emotional uses of fennel essential oil with doTERRA. So some aromatic uses. I love having this type of oil on hand if I'm feeling nauseous, or maybe you have kids that are car sick, or if you're someone who is pregnant and experiencing morning sickness, this is a great oil to put a drop in your hands and just inhale and just breathe it in. You could also put it in a diffuser. You might want to combine it with other oils that help support reducing nauseous feelings like ginger or maybe a citrus oil as well. If you would like more productivity in your day, then go ahead and diffuse fennel. It supports focus and can give you a more productive feeling of energy and focus for the day. For topical uses, a few for you to note are that it helps with digestion. So you can put a drop or two of fennel essential oil in your hand with some carrier oil, massage it over the abdomen. A clockwise direction is recommended, and experience some relief from the digestive spasms or anything going on there. You can also use it if you have cramps. So a really great oil for that. If babies have upset tummies that they're just crying all through the night and it's so sad, just make sure you're diluting correctly with young babies or children. Connect in with your wellness advocate to know what that dilution ratio is. If you're one of my customers, please go ahead and reach out to me to know about safe dilution ratios for you. Fennel is an oil that also supports skin. So soothing the skin, healthy skin, cooling the skin. You can apply it with a carrier oil to your skin. One of the most popular ways to use fennel essential oils internally. And as always, I'll be clear that I'm only talking about doTERRA's fennel in this case. I don't recommend using any other oil internally, especially if you don't know the testing, where it's sourced from, any of that information. So I'm only talking about doTERRA. Fennel supports the digestive tract and helps to reduce any spasms in there. A few different ways you can use it. You can use a drop under the tongue. You can use a drop in water and shoot it back, or you can put a couple of drops in a veggie capsule and take it internally. You might want to combine it with other oils, but you could just take it on your own. Fennel supports a healthy metabolism, healthy liver function, and healthy circulation. So those are other reasons why you may want to take it internally. If you've got sugar cravings or salt cravings, you can add it to a smoothie or a drop of water. I recommend using it when you're feeling those cravings or just before, but it'll help you fight your sweet tooth. And if you'd like a fun flavor for different salads or dressings or dips, you can add, I always start with just a toothpick amount of a drop of essential oils. So put a drop on a spoon, use a toothpick, and then swirl it into your dish, whatever it is. Start low and build up. You can't take it out once you've added it, so start lower. Great bean dips, great salsas, great dressings for salads if you're using fennel essential oil. And then emotionally, there are a few different uses, but one is if you're feeling discouraged or you're needing confidence, you can diffuse or inhale a drop of fennel for more courage and confidence. It is the oil of responsibility. So emotionally, energetically, I look at the essential emotions textbook for all of those uses. Fennel being the oil of responsibility, it's going to help the individual who feels a weakened sense of self, or maybe is feeling defeated or deflated with all of life's heaviness, overwhelm, and responsibilities. And it helps us to reignite a passion for life, encourages us to take ownership and responsibility for the choices that we make. If you're starting a new regimen, a new routine with dieting or healthy eating or exercise, fennel would be a good oil to diffuse or inhale or apply with a roller onto pulse points or heart center. Yeah, so that's some benefits of using fennel on an emotional standpoint. So in general, fennel is most recognized for its digestive benefits, but it has other powerful effects on the body. The chemical constituents in it primarily are alpha-pinene and anethol, and those help us with our immune system response when taken internally, healthy cellular response, and healthy overall respiratory, circulatory, and metabolic function. So that's a lot about fennel. I bet you didn't know a lot of that. What I'd love to ask in the comments is, let me know what one of those uses were that you have not yet tried fennel for that you'd love to. I'm going to link up some articles in the YouTube video for showing how fennel supports regularity in your bowel health and how it helps with the inflammatory response in the body. So that's about fennel essential oil. I hope you have enjoyed the information. I hope you got some great tips out of that. And as always, I would ask if you are enjoying my channel just to like and subscribe and to share with other people the natural options that are available to them. Thanks, and thanks for watching.